The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Please contact a professional when it comes to your financial needs. We have an update on the 4C Web Cafe that I'm trying to develop. It's a brick and mortar operation. And we're going to be going over the unboxing of this little bad boy. This is the Braiins BMM 101 unboxing of this lottery miner. Let's check it out. Well over 13 years ago, I set out on a task to try to bring more community engagement when it comes to computer literacy. It was initially called the 4C Web Cafe, and it was just 4Cs: computers, consultant, community, and I forgot what the other original C was, but you get the idea. Basically, I wanted to be able to bridge the gap. Back then, it was called the digital divide, and not much has changed in that time period. A lot of inner city individuals just are not computer literate. They don't have access to reliable computers. Yes, there are many avenues now to go through, especially here in Metro Atlanta. I've just come into contact with Inspire EDU, and they are actually giving away laptops. But we can do much. We can do better, and we can start training, doing sessions, that kind of deal. Now, I don't know how much they're charging, if any, but I know that they have been featured on a couple of talk shows, and they're doing fantastic work. We all have to have a part in this. However, a lot of us don't have those resources. I'm funding this operation out of my own pocket, and I'm ready to announce tonight that I got the lease for the building, and I'm going to have to sign it. Um, I've already went ahead and purchased about 12 PCs, did that out of my own pocket. I have family members who have supported me and got some chairs. I already have the tables, computer desk tables. I'm going to be putting together a couple of content creation labs. The facility is large enough for that. I've gotten some support from the owner of the property because he wants to see this happen. And I am so thrilled to be in a partnership with them. I'll announce the other partnerships that we're going to be going on with going forward. But for right now, that's the update. We're going to go ahead with a brick and mortar business, and I'm trying to get this thing off the ground by the beginning of next month. So we are sitting on June 6th right now. So in about 30 days, I'm going to really try to push myself and make this thing happen. But yeah, it's a real thing. It's a reality. I literally filed my LLC when my son was born. Actually, uh, Monique Baisden was a lady who assisted me in getting all of that together, and filed a sole proprietorship LLC. I may be switching to an S corp, but I've been registered for 13 years, and I never got this thing out of my own home. It was a small business from home, work from home. Now we're about to step it up a notch. So thank you. And if you want to, I'm going to leave my Cash App here. Please feel free to donate, reach out to me. Um, we're going to be changing up some of the things, and maybe venturing out into some different platforms in addition to YouTube. But that is what is going on with me right now. Now let's talk about this Braiins miner. Okay, let's get to it. I have to say that when I first ordered this thing back in February, they told me it wasn't going to be until beginning of the second quarter, and here we are in the beginning of the second quarter, right on time. So February, end of February to now is when this thing finally came in. Nice little indescript box. Let's go ahead and slide this off. Might want to keep that for prosperity. Love it. All right. And let's see what's in the box. Roll. Now this unit, I'm gonna probably sit it right behind me. It's Wi-Fi. It's unlike the other small little hobby lottery miner that I have, which is the Nano Avalon 3. That thing makes about $1 every 6 days. right now. Makes about $1. But it is a 3 terahash device, and it was only $150 after shipping and handling, and that power supply that didn't come with it. It got to be around $200. But that said, we get a power cable that comes with this. That's nice. Little floor stoppers and a barcode on the back. I'm going to put that to the side right now. And it looks like, yes, the adapter. And that pretty much does it for the box. I'm going to go ahead and close this puppy up. And I am going to get started with the setup. All right, first up, what we're going to do is go into the settings of the phone, go to Wi-Fi, and we're going to look for the device. And there he is, the mini setup miner, and click on it. That's pretty much it for the hardware setup. Only thing left for you to do is to plug in your IP address for the device itself, and you'll see that on the screen. Let's go ahead and type that in, and then log in to your device. Of course, after you set up your password. There's not much really left to do. On the device itself, you want to configure and add your pool. I'm using the pool that comes with the Braiins miner. Very easy to set up, and just copy that. I'll put that in the video itself. And this will get you solo mining up in a hurry, really fast. Now, of course, you can give it a name. It's not mandatory, but I guess definitely will, so I can identify the different miners that I have. And then here, go to the Braiins pool and make sure you're logging into that as well, because now we're going to set up the wallet it's going to go to by hitting on the funds button or menu item. Now I've already gone ahead and set up my own account. So what I'm going to do is show you how to add the account by going to add new account, give it a name, add the account, and then set it up. Choose an option. We're going to create the wallet. We're going to call it Tangent, and then plug in the address that you have for your wallet. Set your threshold amounts and what have you, and confirm the changes. That's it. Now let's talk about probability of winning a block. That's all this thing is. First of all, these are hobbyist tools. Think of them more as a glorified $300 lottery ticket, and you're in the running to win a block. Now your chances of hitting a block are infinitesimal. There's a couple of sites out there. We're going to take you to one off of a pool that I'm using called Lucky Pool, and it'll tell you exactly what your chances are of winning a block reward with such miners. Whether you're talking about the miner we just set up here, which is the BMM 101 Braiins miner, which only mines Bitcoin. The Avalon, which was like $160, is actually a 4 terabit hash device, and it will allow you to run other SHA-256 algorithmic coins like Bitcoin Cash, which has a significantly lower block reward, but a significantly higher chance to actually earn one within your lifetime. Currently, with Bitcoin, with such a device, you got maybe 17,000 years, a one in millions of a chance. And I'll talk about that right now. So let's look at somewhere you can find the information on your probability of winning the block reward. First off, let's go over to solochance.org and let's scroll down. Let's talk about Bitcoin first. The block reward for Bitcoin are 3.125 Bitcoins. Current price of Bitcoin is $105,000 per coin. So you do the quick math, you're over $300,000 richer should you get a reward. But how likely are you to win that? With the BMM 101 miner, it's measured in terahash. How many terahash you got? It's about one. Calculate that, and this will tell you that your hash rate is one. You got a network hash rate of about 860 ETH hash. The block interval every 10 minutes. Chance per block, 1 in so many billion. Let's see how many zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 860 billion. Okay, there's not even that many people on the planet. All right, it's going to take you years, thousands of years to win that block reward. 1 in a billion, or actually 860 billion chance of getting a block reward with this miner. That's what it is. It's easier to go out and buy a lottery ticket. However, with the Canon Nano 3, you can mine multiple coins that are also SHA-256. I'm currently mining Bitcoin Cash on the Avalon Miner 3, and its hash rate is about 3 unclocked without overclocking it. Calculate that, and your chances are significantly lower. Also, what's significantly lower is the block reward. Again, these are not surefire things. These are hobbyist tools, and this is what you should keep in mind. You're supporting the network. You're doing what you can to see how far we can advance this global payment system. My overall take on these devices, whether we're talking about the BMM 101 or the Avalon Nano 3, I just like the quietness of it. I'm just thinking about just a couple of years ago, any type of ASIC chip would have cost you thousands of dollars. These devices are under $500, and they're allowing you to have a chance, however minuscule it is, to win a block reward and become part of this Bitcoin revolution. Now, the probabilities of winning a block reward, we're really not getting into it. But if you do get a block reward, it's life changing. $300,000 before taxes and fees is life changing. And that is one of the things that drew me into mining Bitcoin back in the day when these things were super loud, super noisy. It's running here on my desk and it's nothing at all. Now, you will hear it when you first boot it up. Sounds like a jet, but soon as it goes through its boot processes, it's virtually silent. Same with the Avalon Miner 3. I just like the fact that I am able to take a little bit of nothing to have the possibility of going to win on something big. Now, a lot of people have a look at this as gambling. It's not gambling. It's maybe a waste of time. If you've ever played the lottery, I don't know. I mean, it's to each his own. But there are other reasons to get into mining and securing the Bitcoin blockchain network. It is so much more rewarding. And as we're seeing what's going on currently, more security is always going to be better. That's just my take on it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will talk to you very, very soon.